Hello guys, welcome back to Toy Kids. Today, we're going to be playing this slime. But before we get started, I want to tell you guys something. So I have 10 comic books right here. This one is an ultra rare, and then these ones are all the same. They're just a common. And then this one's in rare. So if you guys want to win these, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And then once you're done with that, comment down #comic, and then maybe you guys will win one of these comics. And the person who does it the most will win the ultra rare one. This ultra rare one is Superman and all of the Avenger, or I don't know what they are, but it's like all the Avengers and everything. I don't even know who they are. But I know Superman and Wonder Woman and Batman. Batman's right here, and then Wonder Woman. And I don't know the rest of them. This is a common one. I have no idea what it's about. But here's the cover. And then all the same ones. And then this one, I have no idea who it is. Alright guys, so as I told you, we're gonna be playing the Sim Slime. This slime I made the slime with all the same ingredients except they're different colors. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with this bag first, so that's it. Let's take the purple right here. I have some violet. It's purple with sparkles in it. They all have sparkles in it except for two. They're neon. This is very cool. I actually made 16 of them. They're very stretchy. I wish you guys could hold this because they're like very cool. I made them with all these ingredients and they're very cool. They're very cool. I love them. They're like stretchy and everything. OMG. Guys, come closer. Look at me play with them. Oh my gosh. You can poke them. You can do a lot of stuff with them. They're very clicky. Look how far it stretches. By the way guys, I have access to some slime. Once I make a lot of the batches, I'm gonna be making a couple more of them. And then you guys will be able to buy it once I start making some more. It's gonna be my buttercream slime recipe. And it's totally safe for kids. There's no stuff to hurt it with. So there's no borax, or borax, whatever you call it. No detergent, which detergent can actually burn your fingers. It's no detergent. It's just glue, contact solution, and shaving cream. Those do not burn you at all. You guys have been commenting that, and I said I don't make it like that. Some people use borax in it. I mean, it won't hurt you if you pour it in there and then you're playing with it at first, but it actually can burn your skin right here. I got a burn right there in my thumb from it. That's why I stopped using it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here. It's right there. Actually, that was from using borax. It burned me, so I had to stop using it. Now, cornstarch is cornstarch and baking soda are way better to use because they don't burn you. It's like a safe way for kids to make slime. And contact solution is perfectly fine, and shaving cream is too. If you have any allergies to them, you just probably get them. But yeah, the slime is very stretchy. Look at it. Whoa, it's so cool. How about we move on to the next slime? For this one, I'm gonna pick this aqua color. Wow. Alright guys, so I have this aqua sparkly slime. Whoa. Look how stretchy it is. Oh, does it click? Is it very clicky? Oh, it is, and it's really cold too. Hello guys, can you see me? Ah, you can! Like, let me get it up closer. I don't think you can really actually see me. Can you see? Oh, you can see the glitter in it. Like, it's not really see-through. Let's click it. Let's poke it. The poke is very clicky. Can you hear that? And then let's see how far it'll stretch. Whoa. Oh, it's not sticking to the table anymore, so it may not stretch it. Whoa. Well, there's the hole. Ah! Oh no. That was the only hole that was in it. I hear bubbles cracking. By the way, guys, this is plastic slime. It's a plastic and a buttercream mixed together. So like it's more plastic slime than buttercream, but they're mixed together. The buttercream makes it stretchy and the plastic makes it not stretch, but makes the bubbles pop. You guys can just make a regular buttercream if you want, but I like the bubbles in it, so I made some plastic slime with it too. By the way, you may have not heard of plastic slime, but there is slime called plastic slime, and I actually have made some, just plain plastic slime. Oh, this looks so different in the camera than it does in real life. It looks like just a light blue, but it's really a turquoise, which I call aqua. And it's like my shirt too. That's the color. Actually seeing it in real life, this is the color of my stripes on my shirt. This is the color in it. But you can not see it very well, not see the real color in the video. Just poke. Whoa. Alright, let's move on to the next slime. Alright guys, this slime I chose some light blue. In the camera it looks like a very dark blue, but it's light blue. Let me get most of it. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's click it. First let's stretch. It doesn't seem as stretchy as the other one. I think the purple one is stretchy. I'm just used to be playing with the turquoise one. Let's click it. Oh, okay, let's poke it. Okay, so the poking is very good. It makes a clicking sound. Hello guys. Hello guys. Whoa. Whoa. Let's move on to the next slime. Alright guys, this time I have a neon green, but this slime doesn't have any sparkles in it. This is the first one that doesn't have any sparkles in it. I also have another one that doesn't have any sparkles in it. It kind of feels weird with like not the sparkles being in it. It's like, whoa, what just happened? And then it's like, oh my gosh. But it doesn't click very I use the same recipe, but oh, it clicks, yeah. Whenever I poke it, it clicks. Whoa! Can you guys see my shirt? Oh, yeah, you can. It says Dream Love Shop Shoppies. You've probably seen it backwards in the camera. Whoa. Oh, that just stretched over the table. Whoa. Guys, look how far, It's over the camera. It's over my face. Whoa. I want to try something with it.
Hello? Hello? Hey, what's going on?
Whoa. Look at this. I'm stacking it.
Okay. Let's go back from gymnastics.
I'm going to try to make it like a poop emoji.
Yeah, well, it's only from 4:30 to 5. What's going on with you? Yeah, I didn't think she would.
Whoa.
Yeah, but I'll tell you what it says.
Let's
right
click
now.
it. Now it's
I'll
clicky.
tell you what it says.
And on to the
Says-
next slime.
says-
Alright guys, for this slime, this one I got like a brownish maroon color. It's kind of like a maroon. It's kind of like a brownish maroon color.
Well,
It has some. This one has glitter in it, by the way. Let's stretch.
Yeah, yeah,
Huh.
yeah.
It doesn't stretch as long as the neon one did.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Let's poke it. It makes a clicking noise.
Well, of course, Brandon. You know why? Why else would you
Okay.
have to manipulate and threaten your child to say what you want to say?
Alright, so let's stretch it. Wow. I'm sorry guys, I lost you. Wow. Wait, what did I just say? I'm sorry guys, I lost you. I said, what? I was like, I was gonna say, oh sorry slime, I dropped you on the floor. I think, I was gonna say that, but I said, oh sorry guys. Oh sorry guys, what did I say? Comment below what I just said. I don't even know. Oh look, it's like a couch, like a queen's couch. Like it's like little curves in it, and then like, or no, actually it looks like a dog bone. Like a dog bone. And the dog bone stretched and broke apart. On to the next slime. Alright guys, so I have a neon. It's not really neon. It's just yellow. This isn't really neon. This is probably just like a regular yellow with some sparkles in it.
Would you pay lawyers 3 years if you weren't trying to see?
Wow.
I mean, for what? Public health or what? Yeah, so that'll be thrown out once that's proven, you know. But yeah, I can't wait till you get a phone call and see if she's there or not. I'm so curious.
Let's poke it.
Yeah.
It doesn't make a very clicky sound, but it does make a sound.
Maybe it's just a setup so she thinks she'll like go over to her house, or we'll go ride past her house 20 times to see if she's there or something. Yeah. I mean, they probably got cameras out there just waiting, you know.
Very stretchy.
I know, it's funny when
On to the next slime. So this slime I have is orange with some glitter in it.
she's gonna go into court and she's gonna be like,
Whoa.
she's not gonna have to know what to say.
This one has a lot of glitter in it. I think I put a lot of glitter in the orange because I don't really like orange. So I put some glitter, a lot of glitter to like try to change the color. But it kind of changed to yellow.
Someday when she gets over you, I guess.
Well, kind of, not really.
Well, I think it's funny
Let's
that
poke it.
she says you're obsessed with her. It's the fucking opposite. She's the one obsessed with you.
It doesn't make a very clicky sound. It does stretch very well
She
though.
wants you to be there, but she still don't want to let you go. I said it the whole time. Because
Well,
if she did, she wouldn't even care to even do bad she'd be over it. Yeah.
On to the next slime. This one's kind of like a reddish, pinkish slime. I'm calling it red pink. And it has glitter in it. Yeah, it's not neon at all. But I'm gonna test it. See, it'll click. It does have a stretch to it. I'm gonna click it, hook it, see if it'll work. It doesn't make a very like a clicking sound. I don't hear anything coming from it. Let's stretch. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, I was gonna say, yeah.
On to the next slime. This slime is a neon pink. It doesn't have any glitter in it. It's just a plain neon pink. And it's definitely neon.
Why are you reviewing the games already?
Yeah.
Let's poke it. This one makes a clicking sound. Very good. Stretch it. Whoa.
Yeah.
Poke. Poke it.
Yeah, you know.
Stretch it. Whoa.
Yeah, only when you're done with all that. Alright.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, so this is a dark blue. It has some sparkle in it.
Yeah, I know, but the thing
Sparkles
is,
in it?
we gotta ask Mason on Wednesday to find out, because if she goes away for work or something, Brennan's the one who's supposed to have the kids.
Whoa.
So, I said,
Let's
you'll
poke
hear
it.
her on the phone, and you know she's there, she always makes her.
Oh, this one makes a very good clicking sound.
To her? Yeah, he did. He said, okay, well, if you're not gonna be home or for whatever reason or anything, I am the one to watch the kids. I am their father, and he never got a response. No answer, no reply. And that was at like 10 o'clock this morning. So,
On to the next slime. This one is a dark purple. Has glitter in it.
My grandma
It's actually like
we're over here all
one of the
day.
second stretchiest slimes that I made. Besides the turquoise, that one's very stretchy.
And we saw, and we when the little shit about those little chickens yesterday.
Let's
She
poke
couldn't
it.
have anything to heat them with, because they had to go sit in their car for like an hour and a half to heat. Okay,
That's
because her house went, okay. So their house went down
Whoa.
to 50 degrees, so cold. And then she called and they said, oh, we don't have any electricity until Thursday.
How come you didn't just lick that?
I did it. I just did it.
Don't touch him.
I
Don't
did.
finger
Don't
him.
touch your dirty fingers on.
I just did.
Till Wednesday?
Thursday, and
On to the next slime.
Thursday,
This one is a dark green.
Oh, good green. I'm not embarrassed anymore because you have pajamas on too. So you have pajamas. And I just tell Mama, I'm gonna be so embarrassed, Mama. Go in my pajamas over there. Then they played. They were pretty
Okay.
good. It wasn't bad. And Mag was so tired. She fell asleep on the couch for like 3 hours.
There's a shower or
I told her to do it. So she laid on the couch and went to sleep. And for a couple hours, but then 3:30 Lisa called and the electric was back on. I was like, good. That's hard now, because now, like, you know, you got animals and stuff. It's hard to take them to someone's house, and, you know.
Let's cook cookies.
Well, yeah, Duncan went out.
On to the next slime. I got this one is a light blue.
fuck.
He stopped over today, tell me about it. He's like, is that gonna be alright? Your dog's gonna jump over? I was like, no, he'll be alright. And his dog's the one who would jump over. And he said the cement's still on the ground. It's the poles that
Snap.
This is what Liam did to the thing today. He dropped it and cracked, and it went open on here. And he broke one. Here's the thing, and it lost one of them, and I still have this one. But now I'm gonna have to put it in the middle.
So they were busy today with Liam here. Liam was happy to be here, so you know, had people to play with. So
Look,
Yeah.
for that
On to the
today, I
next
put
slime.
this in-
This slime is a white slime with some glitter in it. I love glitter.
Presley Franklin so good.
Yeah, and
She got an Oreo cookie. Put my white toothpaste in the middle of it. I gave it to Liam. He shoved the whole thing in his mouth and started eating.
Huh?
It was so funny.
Is Pepsi fish dead?
Don't twist it.
Look, it's
They
dead.
didn't hear what I said.
No, I'm in the middle of something right now. Just
I didn't think
not
it.
paying attention.
Pepsi fish died.
Mm-mm.
It looks
So
dead.
quit touching it. They always do that. I don't know why.
There's another mouth
Here,
on
give me
it.
a
On to the
thing.
next slime.
Today, I
This
let
is a silver slime.
Today, I let Liam borrow one of my sniper guns that's brown because he really wanted one. So I let him borrow. And
This is actually
and
very
he's gonna bring
stretchy.
it back tomorrow. And tomorrow Liam's coming over again.
Isn't tomorrow the first day of spring?
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you tell me.
Yeah, and I let Liam borrow my brown sniper. And he's gonna bring it back tomorrow. And I get to keep it for the rest of the day. I just let him borrow it because he's really wanting it. You gotta let him borrow it. He'll bring it back tomorrow. We can play again. Marian's still stupid, your big fat butt. So stupid.
On to the last slime.
Telling me I have a big
This last slime is gold. I saved it for last because I think
face it.
like gold is like very cool. My favorite color is gold. So I saved it for last because, you know, the last one's the lucky one.
Disgusting. Get your big fat butt out of here. Retard.
This is actually very clear. You can't even see it on the table. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and ring the bell. By the way, guys, don't forget about the comic books. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.